Thinking about selling your home without an agent in Temecula or Murrieta? You're not alone. These cities have become hotspots for FSBO sellers, and it's easier than ever to make it happen. With strong buyer demand, beautiful neighborhoods, and a steady flow of families moving in, you have a real opportunity to keep more of your equity and stay in control of your sale. Here's how to do it step by step. First, understand why Temecula and Murrieta are perfect for FSBO. Both cities attract buyers from San Diego, the Inland Empire, and even Orange County. Temecula's wine country brings in relocators and remote workers, while Murrieta's top-rated schools are a magnet for families. This means there's always a pool of motivated buyers searching online, and most of them start their home search on sites like Zillow, Redfin, and realtor.com. So, what's your first move? Get to know your local market. Look at recent sales within half a mile. Check out similar homes and pay attention to pricing trends in your neighborhood. Whether you're in Temecula's Red Hawk or Murrieta's Mapleton, pricing your home right is key. Too high and you risk scaring off buyers. Too low and you might leave money on the table. A good rule is to check the price per square foot of recent sales, then adjust for your home's unique features. Next, prepare your home for photos and showings. Buyers in these cities expect clean, bright, and well-presented listings. Open those blinds, tidy up the yard, clear off countertops, and remove personal items so buyers can picture themselves living there. Take your photos on a sunny day and aim for at least 15 to 20 high-quality shots. These will be the first thing buyers notice online. Now, it's time to get your home listed on the MLS. This is crucial because the MLS feeds your listing to all the major real estate websites. You don't need a traditional agent for this. Just use a flat-fee MLS service like ListLean. For a simple one-time cost, your property will show up everywhere buyers are looking, and you keep control of the process. As inquiries and offers start coming in, set up showings on your terms and review offers carefully. Look at price, financing, and contingencies, and don't feel rushed. If you get multiple offers, you can negotiate for the best terms. Finally, handle the paperwork. California requires standard disclosures, but escrow companies in Temecula and Murrieta are very familiar with FSBO sales and will help guide you through closing. Ready to save money, stay in control, and reach every serious buyer? Visit listlean.com to learn more and start your FSBO journey in Temecula or Murrieta today.